Tom.
Hello, Jamal.
Welcome to
C8.
CDT8.
Yes, good boy.
What are we doing today?
Thank you so much for that blender.
Blender? Where's the blender? Go get it. Go get it. Bring it here. Let's show them.
Oh, it's heavy.
Who is it from?
Jamal.
From Jongo. From Akikoko.
Simple.
Yeah. It arrived at work. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Oh, careful.
Oh, open it. Oh,
You know how to open it?
no.
Like that. Yeah.
Oh, I think it's the leash.
Hmm? Look. Take it out. Take it out. Show them. Show them. Whoa!
Look at that. Beauty.
Beauty. What we gonna do with this?
Which one is it now?
We're gonna make smoothie right now?
Yeah?
Look at it. You think it will be good?
Yeah, I feel work.
I hope it works. Ano, what do you say?
Thank you for that polo.
Salamat po. Do you say I love you?
Mahal kita po.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita po.
Oh, is it for the mahal kita?
Meals.
Come here. Come here. Who is it for? For who give it?
That's from Jamal.
From Jongo. She sent it to us. What's what happened to our old one? It's broken. Now we have new one. Yay! Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're gonna give kisses?
I
Yeah,
got a
good
beard
job.
now.
Okay, now we have to. Can you get a knife over there? We have to open, and then we have to rinse it. There's right there, and the. Careful.
My hair is that longer enough?
Yeah, we'll get haircut, you and I.
I'm gonna keep my hair longer.
Yeah, this one, like this.
No, I like to stab it with my hand.
No, don't stab it. You're gonna stab your fingers.
Oil, the white one, the beautiful black. What is this?
Let's see if it's look good inside.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. You're gonna make all of this.
We can make like dark ones. Well, I'm an artist for about 40 years, Jamal. I paint pictures for my friends.
Okay, look at this. Oh.
Oh,
What is that?
I don't. Oh, it's for the cops thing.
For the top to cover it.
They have.
Okay, look at this. Oh, look at what they have. Oh, they can make soup also.
Very good.
With ice, smoothie, shake.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Oh, basically, 2 years warranty.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, careful.
Oh, look at that. I'm gonna keep the old one. I can have the old one now.
No, it's not. The old one is not working.
Have it.
Ta-da!
Oh, I want to meet someone. Come here.
No.
No, I want to meet someone. Here.
Or here, up here, up. This is Oreo.
He's so big.
Or here.
He's so big.
This is Oreo.
He's big. And he's strong. And
Okay, we're doing this. We have to rinse it first.
this I think he's black. Because from the Mario Kart, it's Oh, get a picture of me. I want to go. I want to ask my dad. You guys want to give me like this one?
Power Plus. Multi blender. Use and care manual.
I don't know what that is. Wow, my last life, my giant beard.
Oreo.
Oh my God, no, that's cool. Get a picture of that, like.
Oreo.
See? The drums. I play a lot of drums. And that's it with me. I used to go to.
I hope we know how to use it.
I had a beard now. I kind of.
Okay, come here. No, we're not talking about your beard. We're talking about the blender right now.
I won't see her for a little while.
Okay, we have to rinse it first before starting to use it. Excuse me, I'm still have cough here.
Oh. Well, I was.
Like that. Okay.
Which one? Oh, I have a good movie you might like, guys. This is awesome.
Tom, I have to go and sit.
Oh,
We have to rinse it first
thanks,
because
Jim. Thanks, Jimmy. Thank you for sharing that life with me.
that's my brother Jim who made it for you. Who's that? Where? Show him. Where are you there?
I'm right here. This one. I'm the drummer because I'm the
You're the drummer in
Green Day now.
Green
I'm
Day.
part of the band now.
You're part of the band. Oh, wow. Someone
We need
popular.
This is my friend here. She's Chinese.
Okay, Tom.
Oh, that's good.
Where are you?
This is me. Yeah, where's that?
Come here. We have to put it together.
Okay.
We have to put it together so you can. What are we making?
Today I'm going to try and make this smoothie today. Open.
Smoothie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more swear today. Thank you. What?
I think it goes like
What?
this,
Yeah, that's me.
and this.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Stay there, woman.
Stay there. Who
Stay.
are you talking to? Mo?
One folder. Screw
We'll phone her later. We have to video this first so she say that we're using it, or else she will get mad at you.
No.
We don't use it.
She's making the face here. We did.
You grab the milk. Go grab the milk. We'll put milk.
I like that.
Huh?
Who's going to I'm trying to go
Grab the milk. I'll put milk in it. Okay, open it. Open. I'm have to pour in there. Maybe all the way here. Okay, 2 hands. 2 hands, careful. Oh, no. That's a lot. I think it will be more than enough for us. Close it. For our smoothie. This one is frozen what? What's that?
Smoothie.
Come here. Show them.
Oh,
Show them. What's this?
this is strawberry.
That's your favorite, and that's
Pineapple.
pineapple and peach, and we'll put them together.
Yep. Oh, that's old.
Okay, this one we're talking about the smoothie. Remember?
I'm the chef too.
Get your glass over here. Over here, behind me. Yeah.
You want two? Oh yeah. This is not baby. Look at that baby. See?
Show them now. Oh, you want that one? How about the other one, the glass one?
We have the glass one.
Okay, I'll have the glass one.
Hello, my name is Donald Trump.
Turn around, put it good there. And I hope this works.
This other one is not working yesterday.
And then I think it
Yeah.
goes like this.
Come on, guys. Come on, girl. Come on. Listen.
And then turn it on.
Ah! You shocked me. You sucker.
It's working!
Yes! Yes! Oh, what?
Oops.
Oh, I did. Oh, wait. Try on.
What happened?
I don't know. Jesus Christ.
What happened to it?
It's not working.
It's not going down, it's working.
It's not going down, you peeler.
Oh, la la la, calm down.
Calm down, Mars. What are you eating right now, Mark?
Let's see.
I am
I hope we're doing this right. Okay, press this one.
Freaky woman. There's a hoppers here. Man. Let me try. Well, you know, it's like a banana. Like so where my work. Hey look, I'm Skull Bolton, work on UFA. There, never die. I'm Elvis. No. Oh.
It's almost there.
I wanna press it down a little bit more. Oh, watch another movie or what? Like.
I thought we were going swimming, you said. Why? Stop what you're doing.
My beard, sure.
To who?
Jamal. See my beard? Well.
It's done now.
I'm not Filipino. I look like I'm dark. Want to see me next time with Cameron or what? Cammy, want to see me next time? If you want to, send to me. But that's dark shit. But I didn't text me back yet. Oh, why?
Huh?
But I text my daddy to answer the damn phone. You want to see me next time or what? It's up to you. I think I'm good for today. Ain't go right away.
Try it and show here. Cheers.
2015.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Pa.
Thank you who? To who?
Thank you, Ma.
Here. Show here. Thank you,
Oh my
Dongo.
God.
Sit down.
Oh my God. That's fucking good.
Hey, come here. Show here. Say thank you, Dongo. Come here.
Thank you,
You
Ma.
know, you're not showing. You have to show your face. They, cheers.
Oh my God, damn good.
Okay, show there. It's good.
That's really good. Thank you. I love that blender. We'll keep it.
Thank
forever.
you.
Thank
It's
you.
like this.
Remember,
Yeah, come
Polo?
here.
Thank you, shy guy.
Ready? Show the, ready.